Now we are going to see power factor. What is meant by power factor? Power factor. Let's see. We take small reminding. That is means take power is a common word. Take power. Then power. Take for R. Real power. Take T. Total power. Real power we mention kW. Reactive power we mention kVA. This is a very simple method to write the power factor equation. Then we go for what is meant by total power. Just see, we take real power, just squared real power plus reactive power. These are the two terms will be combined to total power. Then how we explain the power factor? Power factor means the ratio of real power and total power is called power factor. Why we study power factor? What it is power factor? Why we need to know power factor? Why we need to study? Because of power factor is a very important term to reduce your EB bill in very big industries. Now see how it is increase your EB bill. Let's see your EB bill just a minute. Network charge, that means your monthly bill total how it is charged. Just see, network charge is fixed charge. That means some charge you fixed in your variable. Then maximum demand charge, plus volume charge. The two terms are always come because of this is for fixed. The two terms, volume means total power, how much you use it. Fixed charge means this is for normal charge for all the month. Demand means how much longer power you used in this month. That means how much is highest power used in this month. This is called demand. This is called power factor. This is we need to maintain zero. That's why we need to study power factor. Then another one term, power factor angle. That is cosine angle between voltage and current in supplied power. That is called power factor angle. We take some example to remind the power factor total power. Just we take one glass. In that glass we fill some cool drinks. That means soft drinks. This is filled in this level. This space we got bubbles. This is called real power. That means working power. This is called reactive power. That means wasted power. This full structure called total power or apparent power. This is a simple method to you understand what is mean power factor. Then how to mention in triangle in power factor? Just see, write it. This is apparent power, that is total power. We have two names, a total power or apparent power. The two names are same. Then let's see, this is called real power, this is called reactive power. Real power we mentioned in kilowatts, total power we mentioned in kVA, reactive power we mentioned in kVAR. kW means kilowatts, kVA means kilovolt ampere, kVAR means kilovolt ampere reactance. These are the three terms. This angle is called power factor angle. What is this? This is the power factor angle. This is for normal method of power factor, triangle, power factor definition, power factor, simple method. How do we remind? Those are the things in this one. Then how to we reduce? We have how to method of we reduce the power factor. That means we power factor we always maintain 1. That means unity. How do we maintain the unity? Just see, you power factor going to minus called lagging power factor, going to plus called leading power factor. How do we maintain power factor in unity? We have some methods. What are the methods? First one is capacitor bank. Second one is synchronous condenser. Third one is phase adventure. Mostly we use capacitor bank because of very useful and very simple method of capacitor bank. Another one thing, this is the cost wise very compared to two other methods. That's why we use for capacitor bank. Then another one is how it is happened. That means how it is power factor lagging or leading is happened. What's the reason to happen? These are the things. Mostly we have in industry electrical motor, transformers, welding machines, induction furnace. These are the things is mostly have low power factor. These are the things is going to lag the power factor. The power factor is very important term in industrial quality management. We going to see next video power factor correction. If you have any doubts, just mail me QMARESALYY@gmail.com. Thank you.